Train tracks are essential for trains. They provide a smooth and level surface for trains to travel on. Without train tracks, trains could not operate. Train tracks are made of steel and are laid in parallel lines. This ensures that the trains stay on track. The distance between the rails is called the gauge. The standard gauge for most of the world's railways is 4 feet 8.5 inches. Train tracks are a vital part of the railway system. They allow trains to travel long distances quickly and efficiently. Train tracks have been around for centuries. They have played a vital role in the development of many countries. Train tracks are still an important part of the transportation system today. Trains are used every day to transport people and goods. They are a vital part of the global economy. Freight trains carry goods such as coal, oil and grain. Passenger trains carry people to their destinations. Trains are a very efficient way to transport large quantities of goods or people over long distances. They are also relatively environmentally friendly. This is because they use less fuel per ton-mile than trucks or airplanes. Trains are used in many different industries. For example, they are used to transport iron ore from mines to steel mills. Trains are also used to transport finished goods from factories to consumers. There are many different types of train engines. The most common type is the diesel-electric locomotive. Diesel-electric locomotives use a diesel engine to generate electricity. This electricity is then used to power electric motors that turn the wheels. Electric locomotives get their power from an external source, such as an overhead wire or a third rail. Electric locomotives are more environmentally friendly than diesel-electric locomotives. This is because they do not produce any emissions. However, they are more expensive to build and maintain. Steam locomotives were the first type of train engine. They are powered by burning coal or wood to heat water into steam. The steam then drives pistons that turn the wheels. Steam locomotives are not as efficient as diesel-electric or electric locomotives. There are many different types of train cars. Each type of car is designed for a specific purpose. For example, box cars are used to transport general freight. Tank cars carry liquids such as oil and chemicals. Hopper cars transport bulk materials such as coal and grain. Flat cars carry large or heavy items that cannot be transported in enclosed cars. Passenger cars carry people. The type of train car used depends on the type of goods or people being transported. Train cars are an essential part of the railway system. They allow for the efficient transportation of a wide variety of goods and people.